Bonjour, I'm Mathilde from French Address in Paris and I answer your questions on all things French. Today's question is how to make my kitchen look French. C'est parti! The main furniture in French kitchens is the wood. For all the furniture, the table, the chairs, the shelves. Here, my recommendation is to have some clear wood. It's really more elegant. In French kitchens, the colors are neutral. It's very important. The color palette is the foundation for a French kitchen. It's a mix of white, beige, taupe, and gray. So, in your kitchen, the walls and the main furnishings should be in these colors. There are lots of ceramics and pottery in French kitchens, like tableware, jars, jugs, and canisters. They can be in pure white or have lovely decor. For example, floral paintings or vintage imagery. A mix and match of tableware from different styles, plates, platters, pitchers, and glasses. And display your tableware on open shelves or on a buffet. It's a very French tradition because tableware is not only functional, it's a lovely decor. The last touch for your French kitchen is French kitchen linens. Choose linens with the French colors like red, white, and blue, the colors of the flag, and some French patterns like stripes, for example. Et voilà! Now you know how to make your kitchen feel French. See you on the next video.